Yo students, let's see what Mr. Choi is up to this time. Wow, he dropped some brass masses on a bird egg. Because of the cushion, maybe the egg didn't break? Yup, it really didn't break. He's doing it again. This time without the cushion. What's going to save the bird egg this time? Oh, the bird egg is broken. Basically, cushion or not, the impulse exerted by the bird egg to bring the brass mass to rest is the same. Because the mass was dropped from the same height, so they made contact with the egg at the same initial momentum, and they end up with the same momentum of 0. So the momentum change for the brass mass is the same. But having the cushion to allow the bird egg to back away and extend the duration of the impulse reduces the average force. Here we can watch it unfold frame by frame. Having the cushion almost doubled the impulse duration, so it would have halved the average force. That's all. Ta-ta!